So today I'm going to start on ChatGPT 4 Canvas. We're going to brainstorm a few ideas, work it down to one good one, set up a prompt, paste the prompt in the Bolt, and start building and see what we can create today. Let's go. All right, so the first thing I did was start on ChatGPT 4 Canvas because I wanted to brainstorm a few ideas. So I started writing and said, I am building an application on a new no-code application building platform called Bolt.new. It is still in beta testing mode, so it is difficult to build an app that is very complicated and complex. With all that being considered, I need you to act as an award-winning no-code prompt engineer for Bolt.new and use the content below to create a basic and easy to understand and short prompt that I can copy and paste in the Bolt.new to begin building an application. And then I added on, make sure all existing functionality remains intact, and these changes only enhance the user experience without breaking any working code. So that's a base standard I needed to work on. And then finally, analyze the content I just gave you and give me 5 really easy to use and simple to build app ideas that will solve a convenience problem that exists in most people's lives right now. So let's hit enter, see what it comes up with. Here are 5 simple and easy to use. Daily chore reminder, simple budget track here. I think everyone's doing that. Quick meal planner, nah. Event organizer, pet care scheduler. I actually like number 5, so let's go with that. So, all right. Please give me a basic prompt to copy and paste to Bolt.new from number 5. Cool. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go over to Bolt. We're going to paste it into here. Hit enter. And let's build. All right, here we go. Pet schedule. So let's take a look. Now, let's say pet name Ridge, breed, let's say lab, age 8 years. You can add a photo if you want. That's pretty cool. But where? Improve functionality. So that improve functionality and also the main dashboard should have all of the pets info when clicking on their picture. Also, please allow upload of Also, please give me a sticky button that allows picture uploads of your pets. We'll start with this. I want to enhance the prompt. Cool. See what it does. You can even put in a microchip number. You can put in any allergies that they want. All right. One thing I want to add is please allow the photo upload button to be displayed in the center top of the page right underneath the photo. So basically it was built out within the first minute or two, first version. So at this point, I'm just kind of adding features onto it that I want to see to make it more custom. Just making sure that all the functionality works correctly and smoothly. And from that, we'll be done. So that is not working. All right. So it will not allow me to upload a photo. And when I click the upload photo button, it resets all the info I previously entered. Please fix these errors. Oops. And I'm going to hit the enhance prompt again. In situations like this, I do it. Why not, right? Can you help fix these problems? Sounds good. Cool. Hey, if Bolt's going to help me ask itself properly the way it likes to be asked, no problem. That's the way I look at an enhanced prompt. All right, back again. Before we test that, I've noticed at the bottom here that we don't want these in here because they're not the right ones. So please clear all data for this and start fresh from the beginning before I test this again. Enhance prompt again. Cool. That's what I meant. Reset the project to a clean state. Okay. I thought I was clear with that, but I wasn't. The bottom of the page displays pets and pictures. Please clear this and start from the beginning so this is not visible and everything is started from a clean slate. Enhance. So now they gave me a little bit different of a background. I kind of like this layout though. That's pretty nice. That's better than the one before. Please allow a button for me to delete pets as well. One last thing. Other than that, I like this layout. All right, so I've added the delete functionality, a delete button in the pet's profile. All right, let's go here. Love it. Let's see if it works. An embedded page. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Delete. Cool. Good. That's what we like to see. So now let's test this bad boy out. Ridge, breed, black lab, age 7, weight 55, photo. I want to upload a picture and save photo. Dietary needs blood pressure meds twice a day. Allergy shots once a month. All right. So add pet. Nice. Feeding schedule. Ridge. Food type canned. And let's say 10 a.m. Add schedule. Appointment schedule. Select pet. Ridge. Let's say he's got it. A few days ago, I guess. Needs allergy shots and yearly. checkup. Okay, add to schedule. Oops. Let's do 10 a.m. Forgot to do that. My bad. Cool. Add to schedule. There we go. Add medication schedule. That's where you can add the medication. Medication, diaza, blood pressure, dosage 0.5 milligrams, frequency 2 times a day, and 729. Cool. So I had to do it on that way. All right. So added pet. Cool. So here we go. Let's go into my pet. And here's all his information on it. That's pretty cool. Cool. Everything looks good. I like the layout of everything. So now let's go and deploy it. All right. In the top right, we want to deploy and put this bad boy on the internet. So let's click the button and let it deploy. Awesome. It deployed this time. So I simply had to give it about an hour because I hit a rate limit, reloaded the page, and here we go. So if I want to claim this URL, I have a limited time. Come in here and essentially pay for it, and you can claim it as yours. Then you can point it towards a subdomain, whatever you want to do. But it's deployed, and you're buying the deployment in a sense. Up here is the actual link. So let's click on this. And this is the link that is on the internet. So here we go. This is my pet care scheduler. Everybody, thanks for watching.